one thing which everyone wanted to know is also PM Modi said he's going to invite Pope. CM said PM is going to invite Pope. Is Pope coming?
No, the Pope coming to the exposition is not a possibility, no, because the exposition is just 14 days away, and the coming of the Pope has to be planned well in advance, at least 2 years in advance, and which has not happened. So I can say that Pope is not coming for the exposition. Yeah, not been invited, I would say, because the Pope has to be invited by the government at the center. No, the Pope cannot be invited by the state government. No, by the central government. There's also a protocol, and he has to be invited almost 2 years in advance. No,
His itinerary has to be fixed well in advance.
It's fixed almost 2 years in advance. No?
तशेंच खंयच्याय राजकी फुडाऱ्यांक आजून मेरेन आमंत्रण दिवंक ना. उक्तावण आनी समारोपाचें कोणाक आमंत्रण नासतलें, फकत फेस्ताचें, फादरान सांगलें.
You are part of the exposition committee at the moment. Any invitation has been gone to Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
No, we have not sent any invites to anybody. No, anybody. So far, we haven't sent invites even to our people or maybe political people, to the government officials also in Goa. And we will not be inviting for the inaugural ceremony and the closing ceremony any VIPs or VVIPs. No, anybody is free to come and take part in the mass, but invitation will go from the church only for the feast. That is the 3rd of December. But other days, no.
शिरीष कुंकळेकरा वांगडा प्रुडंटा खातीर क्लायव आल्वारीस.